Okay, just another hint that might help make your Border 135 HE 111 H6 build go easier. It looks kind of messy, and there's a reason. I was into the weathering, and then at some point I was looking at the aircraft in a certain type of light, and I saw that the clear spray that I had put on actually had gunked up, and it looked like, I don't know, it was thick. And you could really see it, and you could see where it, especially on the wing roots right here, where you could see that it was sort of flowing over like a waterfall, but then stopped halfway through. So it was a real thick bit of paint. So what I've done is I've used alcohol wipes and I've removed it, which means, of course, I'm going to have to repaint. And that won't be too much of an issue here. But when we get to the side, it was really bad. Looked like waterfall going over here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to remove as much of the decals as I can, repaint what's here, and then use one-man army stencils over top of the decals if there's any left, if I can't get them off, and go that way. And we'll see how it goes. I don't have any video of me doing the actual work, but these pics should tell the tale. I used various tape to remove as much of the decals as I could, then alcohol wipes to start the paint removal. One thing to note, take a close look at the fuselage in the tail section. You can see where the fibers have hung up on those way too big and pointy rivets. It's an issue. Here's the initial paint job that covers up the major mistake. As you can see, the paint seeped through the masking tape on top of the white fuselage marking, so another self-inflicted error I need to fix. The final masking on the insignia worked okay. I still have some overspray I'll need to touch up on, but the masks really do their job well. The numeric markings are easy. The primary lesson with these one-man army stencils is follow the instruction manual and get proficient with transfer tape. It's the process where you transfer the stencil from the stencil sheets to the model. You'll thank me later. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this thing worked out. Always wary about how to pull this stuff off. What direction, etc. But I think the stencils will probably remain as I pull this tape off. This is the, I think I've told you guys before, this is the tape I get from, what is that? It's water. This is the tape I get from local hardware store. The kind you mask a room if you're going to paint a room, paint a door, or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty good so far. Pretty good so far. All right. Now we got some moment of truth things here. There we go. I painted the F, the foxtrot, white first. So maybe some little bits of weight around it we'll have to remove. Let's see what we get here. That doesn't want to come off. And this is why you use stencils. I mean, that looks awesome. Now let's get the last one here. This side of the fuselage has been an adventure, to be sure. Okay. Well, this has been an exercise initially in futility, and then now I've got it done. Okay, this is just another hint. Give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. And one more thing, be careful out there.